Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AI2 token, the AiDOGE token. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC time, June 19th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So don't get this confused with other AiDOGE tokens that have come out. There's ones that have come out in the past. One was called AiDOGE with the ticker symbol AiDOGE. I remember that one. And there was also another one called AiDOGEX. So there was a bunch of them before, but this one specifically has the ticker symbol AI2. And their Twitter is right here as always, so you guys can easily go find this token. And on their Twitter, they have a link to their webpage. Their webpage is AiDOGE.com. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to find. And they just announced, it was just announced here 15 hours ago. It says, the wait is over. AiDOGE Army, we are thrilled to announce that AiDOGE will be listed on MEXC Global. So the AI2 token trading will go live 9 o'clock a.m. UTC time, June 19th. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AI2, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So on their webpage, you could change the language. There's frequently asked questions, roadmap, token information, pre-sale information. Pre-sale is over. They do have a full white paper as well. Let's see if that works. Looks like it does work. AiDOGE is the greatest meme generation platform. Join us in the revolution in the meme world with our innovative platform and community-driven approach. So you can generate the hottest memes. The AiDOGE platform provides an AI-driven meme generation experience for users, adapting to the ever-changing crypto world. It employs advanced AI technology for creating relevant memes based on user-provided text prompts. Key aspects include AI-powered meme generator, text-based prompts, and AI tokens for purchasing credits. AiDOGE's generator uses cutting-edge AI algorithms to create contextually relevant memes trained on extensive meme datasets and crypto news. This ensures high-quality, up-to-date memes. So they have platform reviews on here. They got a bunch of memes on the page here. So it says, AI, the future of memes. So the AiDOGE ecosystem offers users the opportunity to stake their AI tokens to earn daily credit rewards and access platform features. Staking is crucial for long-term engagement and platform stability. The public wall is a dynamic space within AiDOGE where users view and share AI-generated memes. The wall includes filters and sorting options, allowing users to browse memes based on criteria like popularity, recency, and specific themes. We offer an innovative meme generation solution leveraging advanced AI tech, user-friendly prompts, and a token-based credit system to revolutionize meme creation and cultivation of a thriving crypto community. So they do have a roadmap on here as well. So they're starting here. This is a brand new project that just started in Q2 2023. It says pre-sale and token deployment, solid proof contract audit. So it looks like they do have a full audit that you could check out. Pre-sale ICO launch, platform development begins, central exchanges and decentralized exchange listings. Then we have staking, platform allowing users to build up credits, platform sign up launches, platform development, new central exchange listings. Then we have AI meme generation platform credit system, users credit based on AI staking balance, public wall for memes created by the community. And then next year, 2024, we're going to have users able to vote on memes published by the community. Tokens paid out for the best community voted memes. So it says the pre-sale is over. Then there's frequently asked questions here. So it says the AI token is the key to accessing our bespoke AI generation tool. So that's its utility. AI token holders will receive special benefits such as exclusive access to advanced meme generation software, airdrops, and more. So AiDOGE will be addressing a growing problem in crypto, Twitter, and other social media by regurgitation of the same stale memes. We're injecting life into meme creation through the power of AI tokens. So this is a next level AI-powered meme generation platform to revolutionize the way crypto memes are created and shared. Now, it says, when will I be able to generate AI memes? That will go live in Q4 this year. And you can use the credit balances earned via staking to use that. At the bottom of their webpage, they have Twitter, Telegram, a TikTok, Discord, and a Instagram that you could check out. And yeah, so you can stake your tokens to get those credits. It says their company here is from Panama City here at the bottom of their page here. Now, we didn't check out the white paper yet. Their white paper is 9 pages long. And it says here, I wonder if they have more token information. Total supply, 1 trillion tokens, it says. You can use it for voting too, for memes. And 50% of the tokens went to pre-sale, 12.5% went to vested reserve, 12.5% company vested, 12.5% liquidity and listings, and 12.5% community rewards program. And yeah, that seems to be about it. You can find all their information. Oh, there's a big disclaimer too. You can find all their information at AiDOGE.com. And like I said, you can find this token newly listed on MEXC Global tomorrow, 9 a.m. UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace.